We guide you through how to open the YouTube Studio desktop website on your mobile in the fastest and easiest way. So, the first thing you need to do is open your browser on your phone like Chrome or Safari, then type studio.youtube.com in the address bar and log into your YouTube account if prompted. Once the page loads, you'll notice it redirect to the mobile version. So tap the three dot menu on your browser, scroll down and select desktop site or request desktop website. Wait a few seconds for the page to reload and you'll now see the full YouTube Studio desktop layout on your mobile screen where you can manage videos, check analytics, edit titles and descriptions, respond to comments, and access advanced settings just like on a computer. If the page looks zoom in, simply pinch to zoom out or rotate your phone to landscape mode for better navigation.